Wow, here's the park in Nutley, New Jersey. They are doing a major overhaul. I have to say it wasn't a bad park. The kids' rides, whatever you want to call them, were up to date. Weren't very old. Wow. It didn't even get flooded from the creek. It's too high, unless it was really a major storm. But they're doing a major overhaul. Wow, I wonder what the sign over here says. It's gonna be huge. Wow. No Yannicott Park anymore. There. Yannicott Park. Wow. Look at that. My daughter keeps asking me to take her over here. She doesn't even realize it's not here anymore. So, if a tree falls in Nutley Park, Does it make a sound? I don't know. I think when this one came down, it made a nice big sound. But could you hear it? That's, you see them roots are not much. They snapped right out. Look at how much tree compared to roots. Nothingness. I mean, they could put a little bit of dirt in there and that's done. That's a long tree. There's one over there looks like a spider. Not much roots. And it's very dry.
Right here, Dad. Look, it's on the wall.
Very dry, not much roots. What? And it's been raining and wet.
Dad, look, right here. Look at that tree.
Yeah, these are really dead. I think the problem with these trees is that a lot of them are actually dead.